Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of the back and forth emails when scheduling meetings, Calendly is the perfect solution. Today, I'll walk you through how to use Calendly for appointment scheduling to save time and stay organized. Let's get started. 1. Setting up your Calendly account. Sign up for a free Calendly account at calendly.com. Connect your Google, Outlook, or Apple Calendar to prevent double bookings. Set your availability preferences, including time slots and buffer times. Has 2. Creating appointment types. Choose between one-on-one meetings, group sessions, or team events. Set up custom meeting durations, 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Add descriptions, locations, Zoom, Google Meet, or in person, and custom questions for attendees. 3. Sharing your scheduling link. Copy your Calendly link and share it via email, website, or social media. Embed your Calendly booking page on your website for easy access. Use the browser extension for quick scheduling directly from emails. 4. Automating reminders and notifications. Enable email and SMS reminders to reduce no-shows. Sync with tools like Slack, Zapier, and CRM platforms for seamless workflow automation. Set up follow-up emails after meetings to keep engagement high. 5. Managing appointments and integrations. Easily reschedule or cancel appointments from your dashboard. Track bookings with calendar sync and analytics. Upgrade to premium plans for team scheduling and advanced automation. With Calendly, booking appointments becomes effortless, so you can focus on what matters most. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.